that is the exercise 2.2. The first problem is very easy. Just they have given a one set A. Okay, so just we have to write a Cartesian product and see they have given us some set A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Then something they have given. They given one set kotara A is equal to 1, 2, 3 anta. So one relation define madara. So ordered pair of x comma y such that what they define, that is 3x minus y is equal to 0. See, 3x minus y is equal to 0 for all x comma y belongs to set A. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, see ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು 3x minus y is equal to 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ see 3x is equal to ಏನಾಯ್ತು y ಆಯ್ತು. So ಈ x ಏನದಾವು, so x belongs to A means you substitute all the values x is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to where they have given up to 14 they have given. So up to 14 you check. Okay. So what will be the y values for this 1, 2, 3 up to 14 you check and write the ordered pairs which satisfies this equation. Okay, you try to do this problem. If you feel difficulty while solving this problem, I will ask me, text me separately. I will try to solve this and send you. Okay, that is the very basic, very easiest one you can solve. So why? Because I explained this type of problems. Okay, so I explained one example for this solving these types of relation, and also they ask that find domain, range, and codomain. Okay. So what they bariyaru, see domain, range with the codomain bariyaru. So these relations bariyaru. So write this relation and the first elements. See first ordered pair though AND. So the first elements enagtadi, that is the domain, and the second element will be range. Codomain andra this whole set will be the codomain. So let me solve this second problem. See, you guys try to solve this and send me the answer. The first one is a very basic problem, so try to solve this one. I will move for the second problem. So here is the second problem. Here ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ see, ಅವರು ಒಂದು ರಿಲೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. R is equal to ordered pair of x comma y. ಇದೇನು ordered pair. R is equal to ordered pair of x comma y such that see relation with the y is equal to x plus 5. See, y is equal to, let's see the solution for this one. Y is equal to another x plus 5. X is a natural number less than 4. Andre x value ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? X is a natural number less than 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1, 2, 3, 4. So these all are the natural numbers. So ಅದು x ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is a natural number less than 4 means that is 1, 2, 3. So we will not include 4. Why? Because the natural number less than 4. So okay, not less than or equal to. So strictly less than 4 means only these three numbers, that is 1, 2, 3. So this x takes the value 1, 2, 3. Okay. So for all the values x and y belongs to the natural number. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಸೆಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡತಾರೆ ಇವರು ರಿಲೇಶನ್. So this relation is defined on the set of natural numbers to natural numbers. So ನಾವು ಏನು ತಗೋತಿದ್ವಿ, set A ಮತ್ತು set B ತಗೋತಿದ್ವಿ. So in previous problems. So in this problems the general ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, set of natural numbers to natural numbers. Okay. So now see, so what we have a relation y is equal to x plus 5. So let's see, substitute the x value for 1, 2 and 3. Let's check what will be the y value. See, that is whenever I take x is equal to 1, see this x plus 5, this can be written as x plus 5 is equal to 1. Both are same. So whenever you substitute x is equal to 1, what happens? 1 plus 5, that is equal to 6. Y ಏನಾಯ್ತು 6. x 1 ಇದ್ದಾಗ y 6. Now let's check for the x is equal to 2. That is 2 plus 5. That is equal to 7. I do okay. 7, which implies y. Y is equal to 7. So whenever I substitute x is equal to 3, that is 3 plus 5. That is 8, which implies y is equal to 8. I got. See, whenever x is equal to 1 and getting the y value x. Whenever x is equal to 2, I am getting the y value 7. Whenever I am substituting the x is equal to 3, I am getting the y is equal to 8. From where I am substituting these values? So they defined that x is equal to 1, 2, 3. Why? Because they said that x is a natural number less than 4. Okay, that's why I am taking the values x is equal to 1, 2, 3. So the ordered pair is ordered pair of x comma y. So what will be the relation? So whenever x is equal to 1, see then x ordered pair of x comma y. X is equal to 1 and y another, that is 6. Ordered pair of 1 comma 6. So next we have a whenever x is equal to 2, another ordered pair of 2 comma 7. And whenever x is equal to 3, so y is equal to 8. So enough. So these all are the ordered pairs, okay, which I am writing from this set builder form. E relation in kodra set builder form na kodra. So ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ roster form na ಬರೆದೆ. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ಯಾವ ಬಂತು ordered pair 1, 6, 2, 7 and 3, 8. And ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಏನು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೇಳೋಣ ಸಿ. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ PDF ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದರಾಗ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ರಿಲೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಮತ್ತವರು ಫೈಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ರಿಲೇಶನ್. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿ. ಸೊ this is a relation that is ordered pair of 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 8. What is a relation definition? This is nothing but a relation defined on a set A to B, or here we have a natural number n to n is nothing but a subset of the Cartesian product. It is a subset of the Cartesian product. So this is the relation that is equal to ordered pair of 1, 6, 2, 7 and 3, 8. So now we get domain. So domain यहाँ पर वक्त आपको मतलब range. Which are the elements present in this domain? The first elements of these relations are called the domain. That is 1, 2, 3. Isn't it? See. And in domain the first elements of this relation. The relation of ordered pair करते थे वाला. So इधर के first elements in आपका वो domain आपका. That is 1, 2, 3. So range in आपका वो that is nothing but the second element of this relation are known as the range of the relation. That is 6, 7, 8. So we have to domain 1, 2, 3. Range is 6, 7, 8. I hope you understood this problem. Very easy. So first of all, set builder formula. So E set builder formula E correct rule method. Okay, not rule method. Sorry, it's a tabular method. So ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಜಿ ಆಗಿ ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಆಗ್ತಾವು, ರೇಂಜ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಆಗ್ತಾವು ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಈಜಿ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್, ದೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರು ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಮತ್ತು ರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೇಳೋದು. ಸೊ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ 1, 2, 3, ರೇಂಜ್ 6, 7, 8. So you know that the first elements of this relation are known as the domain, and the second elements of this yella not only one ordered pair, the all ordered pair, yella ordered pair nagidu first element domain nagidu, second element range nagidu. So keep it in mind. See, let's solve for the next problem. See, next problem enada ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. See, we have a two sets A and B. Okay, we have a two sets A and B. Define a relation R from A to B. Okay, right. We have to write it in a roster form. Here ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ. So ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಗೆ ಒಂದು ರಿಲೇಶನ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Obviously ಎರಡು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ರಿಲೇಶನ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Isn't it? So they defined a relation on set A to set B. What is that relation? See, that relation is nothing but ordered pair of x, y such that the difference between x and y is odd equal. The difference between x and y is odd for all x belongs to y and y belongs to so na enta ordered pair choose ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ so ಇವೆರಡು x and 1, 6 ಇದು ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ರಿಲೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ A cross B ನೋಡಿ. I will tell you a very simple method. First write Cartesian product of A and B. So what it will be, that is A cross B ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, first A cross B ಬರ್ತದೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, that will be 1,4 1,6 1,9 2,4 2,6 2,9 3,4 3,6 3,9 5,4 5,6 5,9. See, right, 1,4 1,6 1,9, okay, 2,4 2,6 2,9. Then I have a 3,4 3,6 3,9. Then I have a 5,4 5,6 and 5,9. See, the elements there are 4. There are 3. 4 into 3 16 ordered pairs irbe. Whatever will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, so it's not 4 3s are 12. No? So we have a 12 ordered pair in this Cartesian pair. See, now entire relations ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ the difference between these two numbers. ಇವೇನು ordered pair of x, y ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು x, y. So ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ನಾವು ಒಂದರ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಕಾಣುವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇಕು. See, 4 minus 1 ಏನು 3. See, I will write 1,4 here. 4 minus 1 is 3. See, 6 minus 1 is 5. I will write 1,6. See, 9 minus 1 is 8. So I will not write this 1,9. See, 2,4, that is 4 minus 2 is 2. So I will not write this. 2 is the even number. So ನಮಗೆ entire relations ಬೇಕು. ಅವೆರಡನ್ನೂ ನಾವು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇಕು. So I am choosing the only ordered pairs which gives the difference between those two numbers will be the order. So what happens then? See, 6,2. 6 minus 2 4. I will not write that. See, 9 minus 2 is 7. So I will write this 2,9. So now come for this one. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 which is 1. So I will write this 3,4 and 6 minus 3 will be 3. Again I will write this 3,6. See, 9 minus 3. So 9 we have a 3. So it will be a 6. I will not write this. Then I have a 5,4. Okay, 5,4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, so I will write this 5,4. Okay, 5 minus 4 is 1 now. So 5,4. 6 minus 5 is 1. I will write this 5,6 and I will write this 9 minus 5 is 4. I will not write this 9 minus 5. These are the relations, see, which I am choosing from this Cartesian product which they have given in the set form. This is the set product roster form na kariyuttara. So this is the answer. So check ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Let's discuss the sixth problem. The fourth and fifth are homework for you. So try to do it. So fourth and fifth are the homework problems. So those are the easiest one you can solve. Okay. So let's discuss the sixth one. This is very interesting. See here. What we have? Determine the domain and range. See, one relation quota R is equal to ordered pair of illivargu ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು x, y ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. So y is nothing but x plus 1. In place of y they have given x plus 1. That is nothing but y is equal to x plus 1 ಅಂತ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. No problem. So the relation R is equal to ordered pair of x, x plus 5. So x value ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ 0 to 5. So x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we have. See, now find out these ordered pairs. See, the relation. See, this is in the set builder form. I will write it in a roster form. See, whenever x is equal to 0, see, x is 0 ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ x plus 5 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? That is 0 plus 5. Okay, and whenever x is 1, 1 plus 5. Okay, and whenever x is 2, 2 plus 5. Okay, so 0 is equal to 0 plus 5, 1 equal to 1, 0, 0 plus 5, 1, 1 plus 5, 2, 5. Okay, whenever I take x is equal to 4, that will be 4 comma 4 plus 5 0 1 2 3 4 and 5 we have, that is 5 comma 5 plus 5. See what the ordered pairs will be, that is 0 comma 5 0. In another way, that is 0 comma 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. 1 comma 5 plus 1 is 6. 2 comma 2 plus 5. 2 comma 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. 3 comma 3 plus 5, that is 8. Okay. 4 comma 4 plus 5, that is 4 comma 9. In 4 comma 9. So then I have a 5 comma 5 plus 5 is 5 comma 10. Okay. What we have, the relation R is equal to 0 comma 5, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 7, 3 comma 8, 4 comma 9 and 5 comma 10. So now what we have to find out? We have to find out the domain and range. So what will be the domain and range for this? See, domain and range is the relation of first elements domain. So what is the domain? That is 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. So this x will be the domain for this relation. So in domain of 0 1 2 3 4 5. So what will be the range? The second elements from this relation are known as the range. These are the range. What are those things? That is 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 10. This is the domain of this relation and the range of this given relation. Okay. So this is how we will find out. So relation first order pairs domain and range equally find out. So let's see for the next one. We have the seventh problem. What they have given? R is equal to ordered pair of x comma x cube such that x is a prime number less than 10. Prime number less than 10 see, x is equal to prime number less than 10. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number and 7 are the prime numbers. These are the prime numbers which are less than 10 we have. Okay. So I think these are only the prime numbers which are less than 10. So now what we have to find out? We have to write this relation in a roster form. See how in roster form tabular listed okay. So you move one but set builder. You need to set builder rule form. Okay. So what will be the solution? So relation that is ordered pair of x comma x cube. You see that is whenever x is 2, x cube, that is 2 cube. Okay, whenever x is 3 and we have a 3 cube here. Okay, whenever x is 5, I have 5 cube. Why? Because the ordered pairs are like this, no x comma x cube. And whenever I have a 7, I have a 7 cube. See, now write it. What we have, that is the relation R is equal to ordered pair of 2 comma 2 cube is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8 and 3 comma 27, 5 comma 125 and we have a 7 comma 343, that is 7 into 7 into 7, 49 into 7 will be, that will be 343. You can check. Okay, so 7 cube will be 343. This is the listed method or a roster method for this given relation, which is given in the set builder form. So we now roster method we to set builder roster form. Okay. So this is how we will solve. So let's see for the next problem. Eighth problem we have a set A is equal to x, y, z and set B is equal to 1, 2 we have. Our question is that the number of relations from A to B. So, ಈ ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ನ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ see, I told you one formula that whenever the number of elements in set A is equal to some P, okay? So, that will be 3 and the number of elements in set B is equal to some Q, that is 2 and the possible relations from set A to B, that is nothing but 2 to the power P into Q. A into 2 to the power P into Q, the number of possible from A to B. Okay, from A to B. So that is the formula is given by 2 to the power PQ. That is 2 to the power P we have 3 into Q we have 2. That will be 2 to the power 6. So 2 to the power 6 relations can be formed from this set A and B. 2 to the power 6 is nothing but 6 times we have to multiply this 2. See, here is not to so there are 64 possible relations from this given set A and B. Okay, so I hope you understood this one. So I will move for the next ninth one. See, what is the ninth problem? See, this is very interesting. Listen carefully. This is the last problem. I am going to explain this. Explain on the relations topic. So next I will move for the functions. So if once we study the functions, then we are done with the second chapter. So, listen carefully. What is the ninth chapter I have? What is the ninth question we have? That is, let R be the relation of Z. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಯಾವ ಸೆಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ? ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ಸ್. Z ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ integers. Let R be the relation of Z, and the relation is defined like this. That is, ordered pair of A, B are present such that A and B are belongs to the set of integers. A and B are we are choosing it from the set of all the integers, and the relation is given like A minus B is an integer. Z that is an integer that is both positive and negative. That is so on -3, -2, -1. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on we have. See, this is a set of all the integers. See, A minus B is an integer. See, this is a number A and B. Suppose I consider this as this is a A, this is a B. That is 1 minus 2. A minus B, 1 minus 2. See, 1 minus 2 is nothing but that is 1 from 1 to 2 that is minus 1. Minus 1. Minus 1 is again belongs to set of integers. Okay, if I take this as A comma B, A minus B is minus 3 minus of minus 2. That will be minus 3 plus 2. 2 minus 3 is again a minus 1. Okay, isn't it? 2 minus 3 is again a minus 1. Minus 1 is belongs to this set. Okay, I will take this as A and 2 as B. Okay, otherwise I will take this as B. This is a A and this is a B. A and B are minus 3 minus, okay, minus 3 minus 3. That will be, this is a A minus B. A and a minus 3. B and a 3. Minus 3 minus 3 will be minus 6. See, minus 6 present in there. Okay. So minus 6 is again is present in the set of all the integers. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? Domain ಏನಾಯ್ತು? Set of all the integers, and the range is also the set of all the integers. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರ. See, A and B belongs to the integers ಅಂದ್ರೆ see domain ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇದಕ್ಕ? Domain is nothing but set of all the integers, also range. See, domain ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೀರಿ? ನೀವು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ನ A and B ನ integers ಇಂದ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. So this integer is a domain. Range ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ? See, A minus B ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು integers ನ ಎರಡು integers ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ? We are getting again a integer. ಅದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. So A minus B ಅಂದ್ರೆ A ಮತ್ತು B ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ again integer ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ? integer ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂತ. So range ಏನಾಯ್ತು? Range is a set of all the integers. ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಕೂಡ set of all the integers ಆಯ್ತು. range ಕೂಡ set of all the integers ಆಯ್ತು. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಈ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ ಗೆ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಮತ್ತು range is both are equal. That is z is equal to z. That is set of all the integers in the domain and range for this relation. Almost I have solved every problem. Just I left 3 problems for you. So try to solve those problems. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. So we are done with the relations topic. So in next I will move on the functions. Okay. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ we will learn about the functions. So notes ಬರ್ಕೋತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಓಕೆ, so I may not send you the PDF, but whatever I told you in the on the board you have to write. Okay, so it helps you while reading. Okay, so ಈಗ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸೆಟ್ಸು, ಹೇಳೋ ಮುಂದಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಬರೀತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಟರೆ ನೀವು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಓದ್ಕೋತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ if you have any doubt, feel free to ask